So a lot of questions here, a lot of questions. Rachel, what are your thoughts on this? Because how do you survive when somebody is strangling you, someone that is potentially much bigger than her?
Yeah, and it sounds like, as we were positing earlier, that this may have happened in an unexpected way. In other words, it's not the kind of thing where, she had a very close relationship with someone, they were, intimate in some way, that it evolved over a long time, but it sounds like it's something that happened unexpectedly and very quickly, which is also very hard to react to.
However, Jake, have you heard that there were tire tracks across the street in a field?
We have not heard specifically about tire tracks in the field. We do know that police were asking for people looking for vehicles that did not belong in that area, vehicles they hadn't seen before, but no specific evidence that we've been told about of tire tracks in the field.
All right, Joseph Scott Morgan, our producers are hearing that allegedly there were some tire tracks in the field across. That is a deserted area, that they don't usually see tire tracks. What will forensic investigators do to look at to see if they are fresh or they're old, and can they even match a vehicle here?
Yeah, it's possible to match a vehicle or the tire to a specific track. It's this idea of connectivity. One of the foundations of forensic science. Tires will have specific wear patterns that are unique to them. It's called individualization due to the surfaces that they ride on, the little nicks and dings that you get on the surface of tires, just like shoe prints, for instance. And they'll go out, and if, say, for instance, these are in a soft area, the reported tire tracks, they'll go out and pour a cast of these and then compare them to the tire itself and what kind of marks it might make. And so, yeah, there'll be some matching going on. And there is a way that they can actually age this. Some of the things they're going to be looking for in this particular case is, for instance, how long has it been since it's rained, the surface conditions that the vehicle will be traveling upon, a number of different things that lead back to this idea of individualization.
And, Joseph and Rachel, the reason I'm interested in this is they appear to have their man, right? But prosecutors will need to see what degree of murder, homicide is warranted. Spontaneous or lying in wait? Because if those tire tracks are fresh from his vehicle and he was lying in wait and minutes later she's strangled, there's an argument there that this should be premeditated murder.
Yeah, also I would point out, premeditation doesn't have to be over a long period of time. There's a difference between us talking about it sort of in general layman's terms versus the legal definition of premeditation. It could happen quickly and spontaneously and still be premeditated. All you need is that sort of moment to be able to think about it and choose something different. The other thing is, it sounds like he went over there, if not to kill her, certainly with a malicious purpose, to fight with her or assault her, so it could stem from that too. In other words, he didn't come over there to chat and have coffee. He came over there angry.
Right, and I think we still want to know, who is this guy, and why would he want to murder her?